Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now from today we start online computer classes for class 8. We also start online classes for class 9th and 10th. If you not see it, go to playlist and watch it. And in this online computer classes, we complete each chapter in proper sequential order. So come to the point. Our first chapter of class 8 is networking concept. Let me start it. Network. A computer network can be defined as a group of computer and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. Means network is a connection or collection of computer system and other peripheral devices, and why they are connected with each other? For sharing data and hardware resources. In the picture you can easily see it. There are some computers and other peripheral devices that are connected with router for sharing information. Here is a word peripheral. Peripheral means external device that we connect from outside to the computer system. Means it not present in the computer system. We attach it from the outer side. Some examples of network in our daily life. There are lots of examples of network in our daily life, but some of them we discuss in our video. First one is network of road, railway line, etc. In the picture you can easily see it. Network of road. There are lots of network of roads and all are connected with each other. In the second picture there are lots of railway line and all are connected with each other, so they also form a network. Next one is network of malls, school, etc. In network of malls, there are lots of people who share their information. For example, a client give their money to the shopkeeper and shopkeeper give them to the goods. So they form a network. In the fourth picture, this is also example of network. The teacher deliver their lecture to the student and the student get that information, and they also share their own information to the teacher. So they also form a network. Next topic is data communication system. Means computer network work as a data communication system. Here is a word data communication system. Data communication system means when we communicate from one system to another system with the help of data is known as data communication system. As we know that communication means sharing of information from one person to another person. So how the data communication system work in computer network? Let me understand it briefly. Each computer in a network is called a node. Means every computer that is present in the network is called a node. In the picture there is two nodes. One of these node act as a sender that transmits the information. Another node is called receiver. It receives the information sent by the sender. And this computer connection through some medium such as cables, radio waves, etc. Means for performing data communication in computer network we require three things. First one is sender, second one is transmission media, and third one is receiver. Sender, it is a person who send the information. Transmission media, it is a medium with the help of which the information is sent from sender to receiver. And third one is receiver, who receive the message sent by the sender. In the picture there is two nodes. First one is work as a sender and second one is work as a receiver. And in the middle there is medium. Means sender send the message to the receiver, that work as a receiver receive the information. And when the receiver send the information to the sender, then that time receiver is known as sender and the sender work as like a receiver. For example, let me understand it with the help of example. I send the information to you, so I work as like a sender and you work as like a receiver. And when you send the information to me, then that time you work as like a sender and I work like as a receiver, because I receive the information, and you are sender because you send the information. And when I send the information, then I work as like a sender. Next one is advantages of networking. There are lots of advantages of networking. Some of them we describe in the video. First one is efficient use of storage media. By using networking, we can save our space. How we will do it? Because in the computer network, as we know that lots of computer connected with each other, so information is stored in one computer system. There is no need to store that information or the same information is stored in every computer system. So it also save our storage media. Next one is reduction in hardware cost. How it reduce the hardware cost? Because in the network, for suppose that there is a network of 5 computers and we have only one printer, and all the 5 computers are connected with each other. So there is no need to purchase 5 printer to attach with 5 computer. By using only one printer, we work with every 5 computer system. So it also reduce hardware cost. Next one is quick document delivery. Quick document delivery. Again, take example that 5 computers are connected with each other. So you can send your information from any of the computer system. It is not necessary that you wait for the second computer, third computer, fourth computer. If the first computer is free, you just send your information from the first computer. If the second computer is free, there is no need to wait for the first computer. You send your information from the second computer. So it delivers the document very quickly. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel to get the latest notification of my video.